For those not familiar, I'm Luke from Clive Sutton, and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new Mustang, the CS800 Dark Horse. In our 44-year history, we've really been pushing the envelope as to how far we can take these. We started off with exhaust upgrades, carbon fibre upgrades, and now we're supercharging them to over 800 brake horsepower. The love affair with Mustangs really started in 2015 when Ford released the Mustang in right-hand drive for the very first time. Now, since then, we've been involved in hundreds of different cars, ranging from paint jobs to exhaust upgrades, suspension tweaks, and we really offer an a la carte menu for someone to take their vision and for us to turn it into the reality. Now, Ford offer this in two different models, the Ford Mustang GT and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Now, we've chosen the Dark Horse because you get a slightly highly rated tune engine, you get uprated strut bar and K-braces, and you also get a Torsen limited slip differential, which keeps the torque and the power at all the wheels at all times. Under the hood, we've got a 5-litre V8 engine that we have supercharged with a Ford Performance supercharger. Now, with this, you get 3 years manufacturer's warranty. It does not void the normal Ford warranty. And we get a nearly 65% power increase, going from 443 brake horsepower and 413 pounds of torque to nearly 800 brake horsepower and 650 pounds of torque. That takes us from 5.2 second 0 to 60 time to 3.5 seconds. Suspension-wise, we've developed a system that works in conjunction with the Ford MagneRide system. So we've done enhanced subframes, drop links, and this really helps keeps the vehicle planted so that you can get that power down to the ground. Now, we've chosen the Borla ATAK catback exhaust. Now, reason being, apart from getting that really throaty, grunty sound, it doesn't interfere with the normal OEM controls for the exhaust. So within the dash here, we've got the exhaust valves closed so they're in quiet mode. And then we can press the button on the display here for race mode, which opens the valves, which sounds like this. Now, on the exterior, we've loaded it with tons of carbon fibre. So we've got the carbon fibre front splitter, carbon fibre headlight surrounds. Now, this is a GTD style carbon bonnet, which matches with the carbon front fenders. Now, the front fenders are a work of art. These are full carbon fibre piece that we have part painted to body colour, but left the grille surrounds exposed just to give that really aggressive look. We've got carbon fibre wheel extensions here on the front. And then as you come here along the side, we've got the GTD style carbon fibre side skirtings. These are really aggressive and really suit the stance of the car. Now, at the rear of the vehicle, we've got the very large carbon fibre track pack rear spoiler. Apart from looking incredible, this aerodynamically will really keep these back wheels planted. And then we've got the carbon fibre rear valance. Again, very aggressive looking, keeping in the theme of the style of the car. Final element of the exterior to mention are the Vossen alloys. These are 20-inch alloys that we've developed specifically with Vossen. They've got the perfect offset so that they fit the arches completely flush. And we pair these with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, maximum grip and versatility for road and track usage. 95% of what we've done to the interior is cosmetic. We've done one mechanical change, which is this wonderful short throw shifter. This is considerably shorter than the standard shifter. You have much more controllability, much more feeling to the car, and just helps you feel more connected. Everything else you can see is handmade and hand stitched here in London. Now, in this vehicle, we've chosen Alcantara, but you can choose leather, an infinite amount of different colors and stitching designs. But in this specific vehicle, we've gone for the blue Alcantara, which matches the calipers from the outside. So we have a bit of a blend from the outside and the inside. Now here we've got the Alcantara headlining, Alcantara dash, full console retrim in the middle, along with door cards, seats and rear seats. Now the seats are quite significant because we've taken the racing Recaro seats, but we've mounted them to the original OEM seat base. So you get full ventilation, full heating and full electric movement, which isn't something that you can actually get from Ford. We start off with a conversion like this at around £120,000. Fully loaded, exactly spec'd as this car, is £165,000. Now, it's potentially the very last time Ford will be producing a Mustang with a 5-litre V8 engine. We've got huge amount of interest in this, but for any further information, find us on the website. It's clivesutton.co.uk.